So the boys got their stitches out this morning from their surgery. Chris was the vet tech. I was the vet. Anyway, and they got crowned with their collars because they're getting big enough where I think it's time they need to learn to have one, just in case. They really don't try to get out. Puppies just don't. That's why when I see someone says, oh, I just found a lost puppy on my front porch, it's kind of like somebody dumped it. They just kind of don't leave their area. They don't leave their people, and they don't leave the other dogs. So anyway, just in case they decide they're going to leave or they get out, they are microchipped, but I want people to be able to contact me right away and not, waste time and somebody wanted puppy and not go check for a microchip. Not everyone knows to do that, apparently, because people find dogs all the time, and I see it on the lost and found pages. Found this dog, who wants it? No, that's not the way it goes. You look for the owner, you post it, check for a microchip, post on. There's 5 or 6 different websites you can post for found dogs. And you don't just give someone's dog away because you picked it up and found it. And if it's not owned, after 2 weeks, find a rescue partner, take it to ACS, take it to your animal control, because a lot of people look there first for their lost pets. Hey, no sir. What are y'all doing up there? Get off of there. Oh, there must be a lizard or something. Y'all are getting too big to fit through that anymore. Look at those big rear ends. Anyway, also I tell people to put flyers up on cross streets where they found the dog. Sometimes not everyone's on social media. You would assume everyone is, but not everyone is. So anyway, that's why they got their collars. So they got knighted, and I call them, now you're big boys. You got to have your big boy collars on and their stitches out. And the weather hasn't been bad. It was cool this morning, but it hasn't been. Oh, potty outside. Good boy. Now watch Easton. There you go. There's going to be about 2 weeks. They're not going to fit through that. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update on the boys. Potty's outside. Good boys. Quit chewing on that. Jacob. Y'all go play. Sending love and hugs. Say bye. Say bye, pups. Say we big boys. Jacob's obsessed with Easton Kodak's collar. But it's new right now, and then they forget about it. Say bye. He saw me. Y'all saw me, you sillies. You saw me. Okay, y'all go run and play. Go run and play. Go run and play.